Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. We're here at our local pond. Me and the co-pilot back there are gonna go get into some fish, get some fishing done at least, but it looks like he's a little passed out at the moment. Probably wait around a little bit longer, let him sleep a bit off, but we're gonna go hit this pond real quick and see what we can get into. Heard there's some pretty good sized bass, so hopefully we can run into some of those guys on the camera. But yeah, let's get laced up, let's get rigged up, let's get them lines in the water. Alrighty, guys, well, thank you for joining me on the little adventure here. I'm gonna get it going real quick. Gonna re-rig up some stuff. Thinking about going with a Carolina rig today. A little bit of a leader. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, let's get rigged up. Like I said, kind of trying out all my techniques that I haven't really used in a good while. Just kind of keep it simple today. Like I said, we're here to just catch some squeakers. Got the little man sleeping up there. Like I said, gonna let him rest while I rig up some stuff. Maybe throw a line in while he's still sleeping. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's get the juice. Let's get some lines in the water. Let's get her started here. I'm gonna start it off. My go-to T-rig crawl. T-rig crawl, little local pond. It's a fun little pond. Working on the Outer Banks. Don't want to go too far. Little man's still sleeping in there, so kind of keeping it just close. I go flip over here by the dock. I think flipping over here by the dock sounds like a good idea. Come on, fishes. I know what it is. I don't have my my go-to little man over here telling me what trailers to use, what colors to use. He seems to have it pretty locked down for only being two. Alright. Man, I'm just really waiting for the little man to wake up. That way we can go explore the rest of this pond. I've just been kind of chilling in this corner. Oh, I think homie's got it. Got him. Oh man. We are here. First one's on the board. This guy came to play. He unfortunately lost that battle. That's a bad looking fish right there. Squeak's getting it done on the T-rig. Thanks for playing, buddy. Later, nerd. Alright, guys, quick little update for you. So I was sight fishing some fish over there by the bank, and I noticed, I was doing while the camera was off, but I noticed that they're just not feeling this super finessey worm. So what I think I'm gonna do, I don't know, like I said, these aren't my go-to baits. I'm not very comfortable with these. I'm gonna take this off, put it back in there, and I think I'm gonna go to my old reliable right here. Nice little Cinco. Almost good enough to eat. If I was a fish, I would eat that. Look who just woke up. He just woke up and he's already on the YouTube. Oh well, I'm glad he's up. I didn't want him sleeping for too long. While I was off camera, I decided to switch up to a wacky rig. I thought it would be a little bit better of a presentation, but I'm all tangled up over here. Give this a dangle in their face. See if they'll munch on it. Oh, he's got it. He's got it. Oh, I just pulled it out of his mouth. I just pulled it out of his mouth and probably took my bait. Nope. Let's see if we can get into him again. Pretty sure that blew that out of that fish's mouth. He had it. He was chomping on it. He was taking it. Oh, he's nibbling on it again. Gonna let him take it. Got him. Oh yeah. Let's burn him in here. I knew that wacky rig setup would. I knew that would prevail. There we go. Fish number 2 on the board. On the wacky rig setup. Look, babe. Is that a plane? Look. You want to touch the fishy?
Maggie.
Yeah. Is that Maggie?
Yeah.
You want to touch the fish? Give him a good luck. Give him a good luck touch. Go. Say later, dude. Oh, that was a terrible, terrible throw. Oh, nice. Oh, I didn't even know he was there. Decided to take it. Oh, yeah. Another good one. Like I said, another one. With the other worm. Careful, babe. Sharp. This guy came up to it. Ooh, he has been caught before. Nice little squeaks. Thanks for playing, pal. Back into the water he goes. Seen that fish's tactics. He's trying to get me into this log over here because I thought I was hooked on a log, and then I seen the flash of his side there, and then I knew he was there. Oh, another bite. Like I said, I'm pretty sure they're just stacked up here. Oh man, I missed that one.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, babe. You having fun?
This is
Yeah, that's number 2, huh? See, I told you you'd give me good luck. They are just so stacked up over. Look at that. You can just see them. Might try to throw the rage crawl over there. Letting that wacky rig sink. Pulling her up. Pulling slacking. What ended up being a slow day turned into a pretty eventful day. Oh, I'm pretty sure he's got it. Like I said, the line's coming towards me. Let's get that hook set on him. Got him. Let's burn him in. Let's bring him in. Like I said, pretty sure they're all nice and stacked right there. They've all been kind of the same size. Oh man, this guy has been caught too. Yep, another one. Let's pull that out of you. This guy's been caught before too. A little aggressive little jerks. On to the next. Thanks for playing, pal. Alright guys, moved up the bank a little bit. Just not too far where I was fishing, where I was pitching. Decided to switch it up. I know you think I'm crazy, but switching up to the crawl.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, babe. Gotcha. Oh no, he came off. He came off. Finessed me on that one. Hi, babe. We missed one. Missed one. Missed one. Oh yeah, all the guys are over there. Oh, he's got it. What up, Squeaks? Oh, barely even. Yeah, you want some chicken? Hold me. Look at this one. Give me a good look. Beep.
Yeah.
Ew. Later, buddy.
Goodbye.
Later, buddy. This last spot of the evening, probably. Got the sunny boy over here starting to ask for his mom. I think he's getting kind of hungry, so might go get us some food.
Daddy.
Hi, babe. Be careful, okay? Look, right there. Oh, he missed him. He took it. He wanted it. Pretty sure all these fish are nice and stacked up right here. He wanted it. Oh, I took one of my pincher. Nope, just one. Just one pincher, but we'll still send it. Let's see what we can get there.
Oh,
Careful, babe.
but
Oh, there he is. Oh, I goofed that hook set. We'll get him.
I
He's in that same spot. Careful, baby. I goofed the hook set.
Hi, Daddy.
Oh, there he is. Got him. Goofed the hook set, but came back for it again and again. A decent size. Oh, man. There we go. Biggest one of the night. You alright, babe?
Yeah.
Biggest one of the night. He came back. He chomped it. Oh, you got an owl? Came back and chomped it. I don't know if I want to end this video now or keep casting. But that is a decent fish. Came back for it 2 different times. You want to touch it? He's like the puppy dog on the boat. You got to touch it before it goes in. Well, let's get him back into the water. Say later, nerd. And there he goes. There he goes. Later, dude. You can't. Oh, later, dude. Alright, last couple casts and we'll get ready to pack it on up. Careful. You know, mommy's going to see this video and she's going to be upset that you're so close to the water. You want a phone? You want the phone?
Yeah.
I suppose we can make that happen. Oh, that guy's got it. Gotcha. Gotcha. Oh yeah. Look, babe. Right here. He's got it. He's got it. You just about scared the life out of me. You almost tripped over me, man. Look at that.
Wow.
Wow. Look. Hook came right out. Touch him. Give him good luck. Ugh.
Bye-bye.
Later, dude. Say thanks for playing.
Bye-bye.
Let's go grab the phone then.